Hello, Gales and guys. It's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and we're doing our weekly analytics, looking at traffic and everything this week. And as you can see, we went down a little bit. Well, 50%. I wouldn't say it's a little bit, but it didn't get a lot of traffic to start with. Anyways, this is our fourth video, I do believe, so our fourth week into this. So, it's kind of disconcerting, but like I said in a previous video, in a couple months is the real factor where I'm going to have to really decide what to do as far as tweaking my videos to make that little arrow go up. So this is basically it. So yeah, we're down in overall views. So as Michelle Obama likes to say, it is what it is. Impressions are down too, which is interesting because there's more videos up there. I didn't do as many videos this week, and so impressions click-through rate is up. So, I mean, that's good. I mean, more people are clicking through what the impressions are there. View duration's up, okay. Watch time hours down. Audience, unique viewers. Okay. I just wanted to show you one thing, guys and gals. So, see, I look at this and I say, okay, what video is really trending? And I know it only says 13 views, but this one I just created on October 18th. It's October 24th. So that got some traction and some likes. So I might want to think about doing more quick tips. And let's go over to analytics. And this is for the website analytics. So we just started right here. So what was that? What day was that? That's it looks like Thursday the 15th, October 15th. So we'll go into 7-day look. And this doesn't really count too much because it's only been a week. So I don't know what happened there. There was 31 unique users on there. So I'm not sure what happened on that day. But not a lot of traffic. I just actually started building up the website and incorporating it into Google. So really not much to see there, but I'm going to incorporate it each week into our analytic view. So guys and gals, that's it for this week. Hopefully things look better next week, and we'll just take it week by week. And you're on this journey with me, and I want you to see as we go how this works. And cool. All right, guys and gals, thanks for checking this out, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah. Hey, subscribe, share below if you could, okay? All right, guys and gals. Bye-bye.